hope you are able to see me. Are there any audio issues? Are there any audio issues? Very, very happy evening from ANIL NAIR classes. Key point 1. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Concept 1. Suppose if I take a number 12. Suppose if I take a number 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 12 is a factor of 12. 12, if I write it as a power of prime bases, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Concept 1 says, find out the factors, add it and tell the answer. So sum of the factors, if I find it and if I add it, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. This is the sum of the factors. But it involves finding these values and doing. Don't do anything. Start from the lowest power of 2. Add it till the highest power. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Multiply it with, start with the lowest power of 3, 0. And go up to the power that is there. 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3. Let me see what will happen if I multiply these numbers. If I multiply 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Can I say this is nothing but the factors sum? Can I say this is nothing but the factors sum? That means if I wanted to find the sum of the factors of that number, take the number, write the number as a power of prime bases. Start from the lowest power, keep adding till the power that is given. Go to the next prime number, start with the lowest prime power and go to the required power. Multiply it. If I multiply it, what I got? 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12. This is nothing but the factors of 12. I hope you have understood the definition of sum of factors. When we do 3 to 4 problems, it will be extremely crystal clear to you in terms of understanding. I hope it is clear now. Concept 1. Just with a smaller example, we understood the concept. Now we will take various examples. Examples. First one. N equivalent to 144. N equivalent to 144. Find the sum of the factors. Find the sum of the factors for 144. Find the sum of the factors for 144. What is step number 1? Step number 1. Write 144 as a power of prime bases. 272s are, 236 are, 218s are, 29s are, 33s are, 33s are. So 144 is nothing but 2 is written 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 into 3 square. What is the sum of the factors for this number? Sum of the factors is nothing but write down from the lowest power of 2. 2 power 0, 2. 2 power 4. 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Then write down from the lowest power of 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 3 power 2. right? In case if you know GP series, A plus AR plus AR square and so on is given by A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. R is greater than 1. This is the sum of the GP series. Or if you are not comfortable with the GP series, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 into 1 plus 3 plus 9. Whatever the answer is there, that is the answer. Please find it out. In case if you don't want to do the answer, use the digital sum approach. 8 plus 1 is 9 over. These 9 over. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 digital sum is 4. 22 digital sum is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. I hope first example is clear to you. In case if you remember this formula and you love substituting the formula, you can do it. You can do it. Example 1. There is a number that is given. He is asking find the factors for that number. Then he is asking find the sum of the factors. What is step number 1? Write the number as a power of prime basis. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Sum of the factors. From 0 to 4 you have to write. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Add everything. In case if you find it difficulty to calculate it, digital sum is nothing but the sum of the digits till you get a single digit number. 8 plus 1, 9 cancel. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 digital sum is 4. 9 cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. First example, I hope it is clear to you. Second example. The more and more problems you solve with me in the class, the more and more confidence you will get in the class. Second one. N equivalent to 360. 360, write it as a power of prime basis. 2 180s are 2 90s are 3 45s are 3 30s are 3 10s are 2 5s are. So 360 is nothing but 2 is written 3 times, 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Now see here, sum of the factors from n. From now onwards, I will represent it as Sn. This is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square plus 2 cube into 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2 into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Don't show your mathematical knowledge and find the answer. Right? Use digital sum concept. Digital sum concept. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. This is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 9. This is nothing but 1 plus 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 digital sum is 6. 9 is out. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 6 are 36. 9. 9 into any number. Digital sum is 9. Digital sum is 9. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum 9, please try to do the calculation. Digital sum is an acid test to eliminate incorrect answer options. If digital sum is not 9, then the answer is incorrect. If the digital sum is 9, do the generic calculation and try to do it. Sum of the factors. I hope it is clear. Now write down a note. Concept 2. Concept 2. First concept, I hope it is clear. Now in this one, we can also do sum of the concept 2. Concept by concept, problem by problem, class by class, week by week, month by month. I will enable you to reach your target in my area of expertise. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Again an example, we will understand the concept. 12. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Previous case, we did the factors of 12. Now we will do the reciprocal of the factors. First we will do the reciprocal, then we will do the sum. What is the reciprocal of the factors? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is nothing but the sum of the factors for that number. 12 is nothing but the number itself. Extremely important point. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n. For n, it is given by Sn by n. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n is given by Sn by n. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is sum of the factors by the number itself. One example and another very beautiful concept based on sum of the reciprocal of the factors. I hope it is clear. Example. Example. First we will write the concept at the top of the slide. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n. It is nothing but Sn by n. It is nothing but Sn by n. First question. Find the sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. For n equivalent to 100. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. N is nothing but 100. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Sum of the factors is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 into 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2 divided by the number itself. Divided by the number itself. This itself is the answer. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. Right? Now it is 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 7. Which is 7. 7 into 25, 30, 31. 31 divided by 100. 217 divided by 100. This is the answer. Answer is 21.7. Answer is 21.7. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. sum of the factors by the number itself. I hope this idea is clear. But in sum of the reciprocal of the factors, there is a very important concept. Please write down a note. Please write down a note. I hope this concept is clear. Next, write down a note. Note is, if sum of the reciprocal of the factors Sn by n, if the value comes out to be 2, if the value comes out to be 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Now, any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to this form. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors, if the value is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Now see here, 2 power p minus 1, whatever that is written here, this is a prime number. This is a prime number. This should be a prime number. For it to be a prime number, p should be a prime number. P should be a prime number. Listen carefully to this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is prime, then p is prime. For 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, p should be prime. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Please write down this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, if this is true, this should be true. Yesterday we discussed, if this is a prime number, it should be of the form 6k plus or minus 1. But if a number is of the form 6k plus or minus 1, the number may or may not be true. If then condition, reverse may or may not be true. What is reverse? If p is prime, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be things. Example, if p is 11, 2 power 11 minus 1, which is 2047. 2047 is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. I hope it is clear. 2 power 11, 2047. If you check it out in Wolfram Alpha, you will come to know that 2047 is not a prime number. Any perfect number, it is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 will be a prime number. If this is a prime number, this should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. We will take an example to understand it. Another important point, please write down. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. 6 or 8. 6 or 8. I hope it is clear, right? Just give me few seconds time. I will tell my family members that I am there in the class. Right? 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. A prime number ends with 6 or 8. Is this concept clear? Is this concept clear? Right? Rakesh, It is free for you to watch it for the first time. The video will be made private after the class is over. If you like the teacher and love the teaching, you can purchase the course. Simple as that. Now, please write down. Please write down this point. Any perfect number will be of this form. N is a perfect number. The only condition is 2 power p minus 1. This should be a prime number. The one in the bracket, 2 power p minus 1, it should be a prime number. Take an example. If p is 2, this will become n equivalent to 2 power 1 into 2 square minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. If n is, p is 3, this will become 2 square into 2 cube minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 4s are 28. 28. It is ending with 8. Remember always, a perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Now, question. A beautiful question, sir. Sn by n equivalent to 2. N lies from 450 to 500. 450 to 500. Find the value of n. Seems to be a very difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. Sn, right? Sn by n is 2. 450 less than, n less than 500. Find the value of n. A perfect number is a number whose sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2. Some perfect number is a number whose sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2. Right? Mahesh, for you, what is a perfect number? Perfect number and perfect square are different to each other. What did I say? Sn by n is 2. Sn is nothing but 2 into n. That means, for example, if I take 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. If I add all the factors of 6, sum of the factors is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 12. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. If the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, if the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Or in other words, if I delete that original number, sum of the factors excluding the original number should be equivalent to the number itself. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2, then the number is a perfect number. If the sum of the factors is twice the original number, then the number is a perfect number. If sum of the factors excluding the original number, excluding the original number, it is equivalent to the original number, right? It will be there. Anup, definitely it will be even, right? Where is the question of it becoming odd? Rambabu, it cannot become an odd number. Why? Because what is the form of the number? 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Any number multiplied by 2, this will become an even number. This will become an even number. This will become an even number. Even number, right? So p value 2 not possible, p value 3 not possible. This should be a prime number. The entire catch is because 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, that will result in that will result in p value a prime number, p value a prime number, right? So this is nothing but Praveen garu chestadu p equivalent to 5. If I take 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 minus 1 31, 31 into 16 is 496. 496. Answer for this question is 496. Rakesh, concentrate on the class. At the end we can discuss. Bitcoin lover, please unnecessarily don't waste your time asking something in the middle of a concept. At the end of the class, if you are interested, you can ask, right? If you don't like the class, you should not purchase it, because I have a style of teaching, and my style of teaching is thematic based learning, non-formula based, or even if I tell the formula, I will tell the logic behind that formula. Please remember, Sn by n is 2. The entire logic is in determining that the number is a perfect number. Perfect number. A perfect number. Till now there are few perfect numbers which are exist. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. Any perfect square will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. These 2 power p, Rambabu, 2 power p minus 1 should be a prime number. Please acknowledge in the live chat yes if this concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you, right? Anup Singh, yes, you are right. Like that, please Google it. There are 23 different type of prime numbers which you will find it in Google, right? Next, Balaji, how it is 5? Good question. P cannot be 2. If P is 2, the number will become 6. If P is 3, the number will become 28. If P is 5, the number lies between 450 to 500, which is 496. Key point 1, sum of factors. Key point 2, sum of reciprocal of factors. Key point 3. Key point 3, P is a prime number. Keep substituting prime numbers. Check which prime number value lies in between these range. P2 cannot be substituted. P3 cannot be substituted. The prime number which will satisfy is P value 5. Key point 2 also over. Key point 3. Key point 3. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. SK concept. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. First concept with an example. Then we will take a practice question. Concept with an example. Suppose 12 is there. 12 is there, right? 12 is there. Factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, right? Suppose if the range is bigger, Sai Kiran, if the range is bigger, keep substituting prime values, check where the range lies, which involves a lot of calculation time. P7, P11, P13, like that substitute. There is no other way. Like we got an Armstrong numbers, we got an Fibonacci numbers, we got these perfect numbers. They behave in a particular pattern. Fibonacci numbers behave in a particular pattern. Armstrong numbers behave in a particular pattern. This behaves in a particular pattern. Right? Now see here. 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Now what I will do is, sum of the factors which are first question, multiples of 2, which all factors are there? 2, 4, 6 and 12. So generically the value is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. But if you are to write it mathematically, sum of the factors is 2 power 0, 2 power 2 power 2 into 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 1. It is multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means it should start from 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It should start from 2. Erase this value. It is starting from 2. There is no restriction on 3. So this can be written as 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if it is multiples of 12, start from the lowest power of prime basis, which will result in 12. I will do 2 more examples, it will be clear. Multiples of 2. Any multiple of 2 is nothing but 2k. Minimum power of 2 should be 1. So 2 power 0 is eliminated. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. Few more examples. This is a very smaller number. Few examples. N equivalent to 360. 360 is nothing but 72 into 5. 72 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. First question. S12. What is S12? S12 is sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Listen carefully to the way I am solving. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Minimum power of 2 to get 12 is 2 square. So instead of doing from 2 power 0, start from 2 square. 2 square plus 2 cube. Minimum power of 3 should to get 12 is 3 power 1. Don't start from 3 power 0. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. There is no restriction on 5. So it will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Now if you observe, you multiply any values present in the bracket, every value will be divisible by 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Because to get 12, the minimum power of 2 should be 2. Minimum power of 3 should be 1. So it should start with, it will start with 2 square and it will start with 3 power 1. One more example which we will solve. The more and more examples, you solve, the more and more clarity you will get it. Second question. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. So minimum power of 2 should be, it should start from 2 power 1. 2 power 1 plus remaining all the powers till 3. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. Minimum power of 3 is 3 power 1, 3 power 2. There is restriction on 5 also, so 5 power 1. This is the answer for sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept 3 is clear to you. Concept 3, if it is clear to you, kindly reply. Kindly reply if this concept is clear to you. Everybody, don't worry about the answer. Amit, I think you are new to my YouTube channel. I will never ask students answer. No tamasha in our classes. No entertainment in our classes. No non-academic discussion. No cinemas or shairis. Complete straight onto the subject. No need to say any answer. आप लोग क्लास में only thing which is required is come on time and watch the session. That's all. Sum of the, right? Naveen, why it should be 3 power 0? 30 is starting from 3 power 1. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. Rest is 5 power 1. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12 over sum of the factors which are multiples of 30 over. Everybody says clear. So next concept.